Seminyak town. Benji walked down busy streets. Shops, cafes, and music were everywhere. This was Seminyak, a place full of colors and fun. Benji saw paintings, bright clothes, and smelled sweet food. He sat at a small cafe and ate a coconut ice cream. It was cold, sweet, and made him smile with every bite. At sunset, Benji watched people dance on the beach with colorful lights. New words. Cafe, a small restaurant. Sunset, when the day ends. Coconut, a tropical fruit with sweet water inside. Benji's questions. What did Benji eat at the cafe? What kind of music did Benji hear? What does coconut mean? Chapter 3, Hidden Treasures, Secret Places. Tukad Cepung Waterfall. Benji put on his shoes and followed a small path. He walked through the forest, listening to the sound of water rushing. After a while, he arrived at Tukad Cepung Waterfall. The water fell down from a big rock. The sunlight shone through the trees, making the water sparkle. The waterfall was hidden deep in the jungle, so it felt like a secret place. Benji dipped his paws into the cool water. It was refreshing. He sat and watched the waterfall, feeling calm and happy. New words. Waterfall, water falling from a high place. Sparkle, to shine with many little lights. Refreshing, feeling cool and good. Benji's questions. What did the sunlight do to the water? What does refreshing mean? Where was Tukad Cepung Waterfall hidden? Pemuteran Beach. Benji's last stop in Bali was Pemuteran Beach. This beach was peaceful and quiet. There were no big crowds, just the sound of the waves. Benji took off his shoes and walked barefoot on the sand. The sand felt soft between his paws. He spent the afternoon swimming in the warm water and watching the sunset. The sky turned purple, then red, and finally dark. It was the perfect way to end his Bali adventure. New words. Crowds, many people together. Barefoot, without shoes. Sunset, the end of the day when the sun goes down. Benji's questions. What did Benji do at Pemuteran Beach? What does crowds mean? What was the last thing Benji watched in Bali?
Subscribe for more fun with Benji. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.